Hi, Shreyas here from GONERD. Today we have the new Pixel 4a. It is the latest from Google in India. This is what the box looks like. Here we have two pull tabs. इसे बस pull करना है, no knife needed. Now let's open the box. So this is it, Pixel 4a. It comes in just black. It's a good compact phone. Let's see what else do we get in the box. We have a SIM ejector and some paperwork, some warranty guide. It has an 18-watt charger. Phone also charges faster with the 18-watt charger. With that, we get a USB cable. It has C-type at both the ends. So it's C to C cable and a data transfer tool. Now let's check the phone. This phone is a very compact phone, just 5.8 inch. It's an OLED screen with 8 megapixel front camera. At the back, it has 12.2 megapixel camera. It has dual speakers at the top and the bottom. It has two SIMs, one is a physical SIM, one is an eSIM, and a back fingerprint sensor. It comes with Android 11 out of the box, but Android 12's update is already available. We'll talk more about the new Pixel 4a in the coming videos, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel. That's it for today. I'll see you in the next one. Let's go nerd. Happy Diwali.